What is up? What is up? What is up, BitTube? What is up, the Steam blockchain? Is it called BitTube or BitTube? It's funny, in this video I'm gonna talk about BitTube. So BitTube was first, it was, I think, called something like IPBC, and you can upload your videos there and earn crypto when you were watching videos. But now they've rebranded to BitTube, and they're gonna start a social network. And the cool thing here is they have their token called Tubes, and they have created a plugin to Google Chrome, or extension, I guess you can call it. I think it's called AirTime, but I'm gonna link it in the description of this video. And it's so epic because it basically is, you just install it, you click on the power icon up at the top and it turns blue, and it's gonna track doesn't sound good, but you're basically gonna earn passively tubes when you're just surfing the internet, if you use the Google Chrome browser, and it's gonna passively drip out tubes to you without you having to do anything advanced. The cool thing is how this is gonna work is, if a person owns a YouTube, if they're a publisher, they can register their websites like Twitter and Facebook, their own domain, their YouTube page, and then when other people go in on those websites and they also have the plugin installed, you both are gonna get crypto passively dripped out to you. So what I like about this is it's actually adding a real utility to people's life. It's making your life easier and frictionless. And some really epic features is how they have really good analytics, so you can see every day how many tubes you're earning with the airtime feature. And one of the most epic things I feel with this one is that you have on Facebook, on Twitter, on YouTube, you have a donate tubes button after you've installed it. So basically you can donate crypto super easy to other people on Facebook, on Twitter, or on YouTube. And that is it's just such a great way to add utility, to add real utility to people's life, where people that doesn't know anything about blockchain, doesn't know anything about tokens, doesn't know anything about crypto, they can get it's very easy to start out by just installing a Chrome extension, and then that they suddenly can just give crypto to their friends. It's nice. So I only look at this industry, I really look at the project and see, well, is this something that really makes people's life better? Is this something that we really need? So a lot of projects in crypto, I feel that they wanna make Facebook all over again, but with blockchain added to it. But this project, what they're trying to do is they're just making a layer on top. They're innovating. They're not removing Facebook, they're not removing Twitter, they're not removing YouTube. They're basically trying to add features which makes the whole experience much better, much frictionless, and just makes people's life more efficient. And people's life are going to get more efficient when they can see that they can pay very fast, and when they can introduce new people to this new space, basically. So right now the tubes, these tubes that you share around, I think it's going to be around 1 billion printed the next 20 years or so. And I think that this is really going to be a top project because it works. It just works, and the team is innovating. Like every week they are adding new features. They're gonna create their own social network as well. So it's very fascinating. We have so many new social networks coming out. We have Steam, Steemit. We do have Hyperspace. We do have Narrative coming out soon. We have Network trying to look at things. We have Scorum, and this is just the beginning, right? I mean, people are gonna gravitate to the ones eventually that just gives them the most value in return, right? So a lot of projects are probably gonna die, right? A lot of stuff is gonna die because people are just gonna use the best, right? So it kind of is like a survival of the fittest, and I still find that interesting because let's say you have some deep passion about a project and other people don't. Even if the price like goes down, I'm not a financial advisor, but then it's like interesting that one person can scoop out or scoop up these cheap tokens basically, and just have some fun with it, right? So airtime. I sort of feel like the Brave with the BAT token, they're sort of also trying to do this by allowing publishers to register and so on. And right now I just feel that the BitTube team with this airtime extension, they're just doing a better job. They're just innovating faster. They are extremely quick at replying to support, and I feel that a lot of people are gonna see that. I'm not really sure if this Brave with the BAT token, if they are gonna be able to attract people to their program as well, because they seem to be a little bit slower at innovating, at pushing stuff out there. And eventually I think this is going to be one winner here. But yeah, interesting times. So if you use the Google Chrome browser on a Mac or Windows, you can install this airtime extension. And the cool thing is that they have like 16,000 installs already in a couple of months. They're super active on Twitter, and it's a very positive community. It's a very proactive community also. I would say it's probably the most proactive crypto blockchain community, and it's just cool. It's just cool. It's so cool. Okay, so yeah, I love this project. I love these blockchain projects that just install a little extension and it just makes your life easier. And in the future, when smartphones are going to become smaller, we're probably going to see more and more of this. It's like small, little, efficient software. There are just a couple of megabytes that just makes everything, right? It just makes everything. Because we really don't have to reinvent the wheel. In the long run, people just need one crypto, and or one or a couple. We're probably going to have a couple. So interesting times. Wanted to talk a little bit about it here on BitTube. Yeah. Have a great day. Steam blockchain. Bye bye.